sake.
Forgive me for the evil I have just committed.
You are forgiven, child. Listen to the voice that speaks to you. Follow her. Follow her answers. Sacrifice the child and come back and join my kingdom.
Oh, you're so kind. I will do just that. Thank you very much. We shall now sing a song together in commemorance to our parents.
Death is upon us. Find a way to get rid of the last standing child. Sacrifice his blood and give peace upon this town. Sacrifice this child and all shall be well.
Okay, did you get that? Did you get that, Hugo? And that's why we must sacrifice you for the greater good. Do you know what you're here for in this world? Exactly. Thank you.
Left side, right side, how will give us